Hey everyone, welcome back. If you spend long hours at your desk like I do, editing, working, gaming, you already know that your chair can either save your back or slowly destroy it. I used to think that any chair was fine, but after long days sitting, I'd stand up stiff, sore, lower back hurting, neck tight. That's when I realized a normal chair just isn't built for long hours. Today, I'm using the Hbada E3 Pro ergonomic chair, and I'll show you how it feels in real life. Working at my desk, gaming, and even lounging with a book. Plus a quick look at putting it together. So first, putting it together. Everything came packed very nicely. Seat, backrest, base, wheels, armrests, and all the tools included. The instructions were easy to follow, and it took me about 15 to 20 minutes total. Nothing complicated. Once it was built, it already felt solid and very premium. Now this is where I spend most of my time, working at my desk. The first thing I noticed was the lumbar support. This isn't just a flat pad. Hbada uses this floating wing design that moves in and out and wraps around your lower back. Up, down, and in and out. Wow, it snugs tightly. It feels amazing. It hugs you like a race car seat. It actually supports your waist naturally. After a few hours of editing, my back felt very supported, not sore at all. Huge difference from regular office chairs. The headrest is fully adjustable too. Up, down, forward, back, and it rotates. So when I'm sitting upright working, my neck stays relaxed instead of leaning forward. Now for gaming. This is where these armrests really shine. These are 60 adjustable armrests. They go up and down, forward and back, and even rotate. You can dial them in perfectly for a mouse, keyboard, or controller. This keeps your shoulders relaxed and wrists in a neutral position. I feel way less tension during longer sessions. The breathable mesh also helps a lot. No sweating, no sticky feeling, and even after long hours of sitting, it stays cool and comfortable. Now, when I want to relax, this chair turns into a lounge chair. It reclines back about 140 degrees and has a built-in footrest that slides out. So you can lean back, put your feet up, read a book, or watch videos very comfortably. It's perfect for breaks or just unwinding after work. Another thing I love is how customizable this chair actually is. The seat can slide forward and back to match your leg length. The backrest adjusts in height. So here are the two main levers for this chair. Here, this one lets you slide the seat back and forth, or you can lock it in place. This one allows you to raise and lower the chair, of course, depending on your height. And you can also lock the recline in place, or if you want to recline, you just unlock it and now you can recline back 140 degrees. It also allows you to lock it in certain places. So for instance, if you want to lock it here, you can lock it in this position. If you want to lock it in the middle, you can lock it at this position, halfway. Or if you want to go to full 140, you can recline all the way back, lock it, and it won't allow you to go up unless you unlock it. It's a really nice feature. The lumbar support adjusts up, down, in and out. Everything is made to fit your body, not to force you into a position. And also the wheels are very silent. The chair is very quiet. It glides along the floor very easily, very quiet. It can also go up on any rug if you need to. The base is very strong and solid as well. A lot of people compare this to Herman Miller ergonomic chairs, which are great, but usually over $1,000. The Hbada E3 Pro gives you advanced lumbar support, fully adjustable headrests, 60 armrests, breathable mesh, recline with footrest for way less money. For home offices, creators, gamers, and anyone sitting long hours, this is an amazing value. After using it daily, I can honestly say this is one of the most comfortable chairs I've ever owned. My posture feels better, my back doesn't hurt, and I'm not constantly shifting around anymore. It works for work, gaming, relaxing, all in one chair. If you want to check out the Hbada E3 Pro, I'll leave the link below. They offer free shipping, 30-day free returns, and a 3-year warranty, sometimes even discounts. Definitely worth a look if you sit a lot like I do. Thanks for watching.